Jay, yrnjxyy, and I'm here to do my first YouTube video. This is my first video. I was gonna do like a get to know me, but I'll do that like later on. You know what I'm saying? But this gonna be called the Yawning prank and shit. I'm gonna just go to like Walmart and I'm gonna go to different places and I'll basically just go to the cashier, be like, "Can I get this? So and so, how your day going?" And after she be like, "It's going good," I'm gonna just be like, after she ask me if I'm going good, I'm gonna just be like, "I'm tired." And just get the yawning. That's it. I'm a yawn. It's a yawning prank. You already know. So we gonna get into. I'm a little nervous. Let's bounce back. Let's get into the video, nigga. Just a little tired. That's all. Hey, Jim. Oh Lord. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's gonna be it? Yes, ma'am. That might be it. Hold on. And now we just got to the next play. Man, we is at Academy with it. So I'm finna go in here. I'm gonna go to the gun store first. You gonna see. All right. I feel like I'm stealing something. Cuddles. Mom, I'm on the phone.
Hey, Mama. Mama, what you doing?
Yeah.
Bro, what? Why I can't see you? Mama, throw me some money. I'm trying to get a basketball. Yeah, we finna go hoop.
Yeah. All right. Let me talk. But yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah, boy. Alright, we going to Target. We finna go do this shit. We gotta see how it go. We finna go do this, man. I'm kinda nervous. But we finna get it popping. Oh, card. Oh, wait, ma'am.
Are you part of Target Cycle?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. You can just skip on the screen.
I'm sorry. No, ma'am. I'm so sorry. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
You too. Hey man, we just did that. I ain't gonna lie, but the video took like that part took long, like hell long for no reason, because like the woman in front of us had a buggy full of groceries, bro, and like she had like 50 gift cards that they were swiping one by one. So I had to get out of there. Had my cameraman looking suspicious. Boy, we was sitting there for 15 minutes for no reason, bro. Like, but hey, we did it. Now we finna go to the next location.
do the black lady though. Oh, don't do it, Jay.
No, we had to do that. I was kind of nervous once again, but you know, I got to do it. Cause like a real G would, you know what I'm saying? Lufkin, you know what I'm saying? We was in the home of East Texas. Beast, Texas looking at.
Damn, that what you doing? That what you doing? You cooking like that? Damn, that what you doing? That what you doing? You whipping like that? Damn.